Welcome to my Design House YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all of my subscriber and viewer. Today I will describe Ray command and how to draw and use Ray command. Already I have taken the last 4 command class which included draw tools bar. Today I will discuss Ray command, and first of all we will know shortcut key of Ray command. Simply you can press on keyboard Ray, R-A-Y, Ray, enter. Here is indicated specify start point. Here is my specify start point. Then click, click, click. And you can go to draw menu. Here is Ray command is available. You can click again, Ray command is active. In this two way you can easily draw Ray command. Ray command is one kind of infinitive line. Now I will draw window using the Ray command. Suppose firstly we will take rectangles R, E, C, enter. This is a rectangle and offset. We will take offset O, enter, 2 inch, enter. Now again I will take circle. Here is my midpoint and this is last point. Click, then trim, T R double enter. Now I will draw a line L, enter, orthomode. Then again offset O, enter, 1 inch, enter. Midpoint I will delete, then again trim, T R. Now you will go to format and point style. Point style we will select here and OK. Then divide, D I V, enter. Select object to divide, number of segment, suppose 8 segment. Now we can apply Ray command, R-A-Y. Here is my midpoint. Here is my divide point. Here is my divide point automatically indicated. Here is my divide point automatically indicated. Advantage of divide command. Suppose you can firstly divide command selected, then easily draw Ray command. Then T double R. In this way you can easily draw a window or door. Now how to easily create a angle using by ray command. Firstly, I will draw a line L enter again L enter. Now we will apply ray command. Then select this point in point and ortho mode on and shift less than K. Suppose I will create 30-degree angle. Then enter and click and ESC. This is infinitive line. I will cut. Enter. Now I will check the angle. This is a 30-degree angle. So you can easily create a angle using by ray command. Thank you all of my subscriber and viewer.